On your packet, you will flip to page 50, Revolutionary War. We will talk about the Constitution. Let's begin. The United States needed a plan to make a strong central or national government. Before the colonies became a country, people could not choose their leaders. The people in the United States did not want a king. They wanted to vote for their leaders. The Constitution let people vote for their leaders. Questions. The Constitution. The Constitution gave people rights to vote for their leaders. Choose yes or no. You circle your answer. Next question. Number 2. Did the Constitution divide the government in 3 parts? A, yes, or B, no? Upon completion, please upload to Teams. If you cannot do so, please send me pictures and I will upload them for you. Thank you very much.